Hello everyone, welcome back to CyberCortex channel. In this video, we are diving into Metasploit Framework, one of the most powerful tools in cybersecurity used for penetration testing. Metasploit is a must-known tool for exploiting vulnerabilities and testing system security. I will show you how to scan, exploit, and gain access to vulnerable machine step by step. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. So let's get started. Okay, so here we have Metasploitable 2, which is a vulnerable Linux-based virtual machine designed for penetration testing and security training. So it is commonly used to practice exploiting security flows using tools like Metasploit and Nmap. So it is pre-configured with numerous vulnerabilities like weak passwords, outdated service. It includes vulnerable applications like Apache, MySQL, vsftpd. It contains intentional security flaws in services like Tomcat, Samba, and FTP, and it's really ideal for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity training. And here we have a Kali Linux virtual machine. So on this machine, we are going to run Metasploit Framework. So let me open MSF console. Okay, so Metasploit Framework is a powerful open source penetration testing tool used by cybersecurity professionals for exploiting vulnerabilities, developing payloads, and conducting security assessments. So through MSF console, we can run Nmap to scan our vulnerable machine. So Nmap Network Mapper is also powerful open source tool used for network scanning, reconnaissance, and security auditing. So basically, it helps ethical hackers, penetration testers, and system administrators to discover live hosts, open ports, running services, and potential vulnerabilities on a network. So let's run nmap and scan Metasploitable 2. So, so here we have IP address of our vulnerable machine, Metasploitable 2. So we are going to scan this IP address, and we have some flags. So for example, this one hyphen lowercase s capital V. So it's basically version detection. So this option tells Nmap to probe open ports on the target system and try to determine what services are running on those ports. So Nmap attempts to identify not only the services but also the version number, for example, Apache 2.4.41, OpenSSH 8.2. So, and it does this by sending various queries and analyzing the responses to match them against its extensive database of known services. And then we have hyphen capital A flag. So it's aggressive scan. So basically, this option enables multiple advanced Nmap features, for example, OS detection, version detection, script scanning, trace route. So let's run this command. So Nmap is now running, scanning IP address. And let's see what happened. It'll take maybe 10-15 seconds. Here we go. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, as you can see, so it scans for ports, the state of the port, service, and version. So for example, we have port 21 TCP, it's open, it's FTP, file transfer protocol, version vsftpd. What else? Let's see. Um, so we have a 22 TCP, it's also open, it's SSH. So probably running I think this is outdated version of OpenSSH and has potential for brute force attacks to gain access. or possible user enumeration vulnerabilities. Then we have 23 open telnet. So telnet is an unencrypted remote login service, which is really highly insecure protocol. And then we have 25 TCP open SMTP. So it's a mail server that could allow user enumeration using the verify command. So if it's misconfigured, it could be used for email spoofing. So we are going to, so let's see. Yeah, we have some other open ports. We are going to do the first one, FTP, vsftpd. So this is a very secure file transfer protocol daemon. So it is a popular and secure FTP file transfer protocol server used in Unix-based systems, including Linux. So basically, it's designed with security in mind, minimizing vulnerabilities, optimized for performance, making ideal for high traffic environments. So this allows authentication without requiring system user accounts. It also restricts users to specific directories for security, and it supports IPv6 and SSL TLS, which enables encrypted connection for secure file transfer. Um, so let's search for this kind of service for vsftpd. Okay, so we can search vsftpd. Okay, here we go. So we have two options, two vulnerabilities for this service. So the first one, so is basically vulnerable to denial of service. Um, so basically, this exploit target, which is vsftpd version 2.3.2, and causing like denial of service. And the other one, it's a backdoor. So it's backdoor command execution. So this kind of exploit abuses a backdoor in vsftpd, which is also version was the version 2.3.4. And so basically the backdoor is triggered by logging in let me see, let's run this one first. So we can use option 1, use 1. What's going on here? Okay, let's do again search vsftpd. Okay, use 1. Okay, here we go. Let's see what kind of options we have. So so here we can set up our host, which is Metasploitable 2, so the machine that we are attacking, and we can set up a port, which is of course FTP 21. So let's do that. Set our host 192, 168, 52, 136. Yep. Set port 21, and then we can exploit. Okay. Okay, here we go. So it says found shell. So command shell session is opened. So let's run some commands and see what's going on here. So let's see who am I. So we are root user. uname. So basically, let's see the system kernel. Okay, so we have here Linux Metasploitable, the version. Okay, we can also use ID. So it shows UID, GID, and group. And then we can also list logged in users. Okay, so we have here like root, MSF admin. Okay, what else we can do? We can list all users on the system, so we can do cat. Okay, let's do etc password. Okay, yeah, so we have the list of um, all users on the system. We can also dump password hashes. This option, it's only if we are a root user, so and we are, so we can use cat slash etc shadow. Okay, here we go. Let's see IP address. Config. Okay, yeah, here we go. This is our IP address of our machine. We can also list open ports and services using netstat. Netstat. Okay. Let's see what he has here. Okay. What else we can run? We can also get like more details about network connections. Like we can do SSS hyphen p. Yeah. Some more details. We can also list files in the root user's home directory. So we can do ls-al/root. There we go. And we can basically transfer some of data. For example, we can do tmp/password and copy that. So we are going to use netcat. So we'll do this. Run and see. Okay. Oops. Let's close this one. And then we can do cat /etc/password password underscore copy. No, we will do this actually, sorry. etc password pipe. We'll do nc. We will transfer files to our machine, which is 192.168.52.130, and we'll use port 444. That's the one that we activated. Just wait a little bit, and then we can go back to this one, and we can cancel this. Control C, and we can do ls-r. Okay, so we have the file, and then we can do cat, and here it goes. So basically, so this is Metasploitable 2 vulnerable machine. So we compromise this machine, which is this one here, and from this machine, since we gain root access, we transfer some files to Kali Linux virtual machine, which is this one here. And the last thing we can just do history -c kind of clear command history. We can do remove -rf okay /var /log, and that's all. So we successfully compromised uh, vsftp server. We gain root access, we run some commands, and we just transfer some files to our machine. So yeah, this will be all for today, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.